So I've been doing a little bit of throwing practice this evening. Just playing with some Kentucky Brown Bear, which is a mid-fire clay from Kentucky Mudworks. It's it's pretty nice clay actually to work with, but it does make a bit of a mess. It's really, really dark. So, but I'm interested to see how it fires up. So, also trying to figure out um, getting the underglaze into my little porcelain hearts. Um, Trying it now in greenware, I may do better off bisque firing it first and then putting it in there and wiping back so that I get a little bit less wipe away the clay. So I'm not sure how that's going to work. And Petal has been in here helping. I'm sure she's ready to go back in to the house. So that's kind of it. We're going to be getting a bit of snow tomorrow night. Then it's going to get really, really cold. So we're going to test my little panel heater and see how much 250 watts can put out and see if it can keep things from freezing up in here. And that's where things stand. I say these are sort of a play to try to get some sort of consistency of form. They are not completely uniform. This one here's a little bit taller. The ones in the back are a little bit shorter. You can see some differences in shape, but the hope is to at least get some notion that they're sort of similar enough in form that they seem to match. So yeah, we'll see. This is just like any other craft. The consistency comes with practice, and practice is something I particularly have not had much time for in the past week. So, but we'll keep playing with it and see how we do.